The Chevy Colorado. It's one of the best mid-size trucks on the market and it has a lot going for it from factory, but we thought we could make it a little bit better. So in today's video, we're showing you our build overview for the 2026 Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. If you're looking for a mid-size truck, starting with the right package is the way to go, and we think the Chevy Colorado Trail Boss does just that. Given that it is the Trail Boss, you are getting off-road capabilities. By that, we do mean it's coming with a factory lift, so it's gonna have a little bit added height over your stock Colorado. It's either an LT model or a work truck edition. You are getting these rock slider rails at the bottom, so keep in mind, if you're buying one, these are not legitimate running boards meant to stand on and get you in, although you can try. I have done it for washing the vehicles that I've had with rock sliders, but it's going to help with that off-road appearance. You are getting slightly bigger tires, more of an aggressive look, as well as these black molded fender wells and your front bumper. You are getting a more off-road appearance, and that is key when this vehicle comes into play. So from factory, the Chevy Colorado Trail Boss has a lot working for it, but like I said, we did more, so stay tuned. Bigger tires really only work best and look best when the suspension is done right. So for our build, we went ahead and added a slight leveling kit to this. We went ahead and ran with a Cognito Leveling Kit. This is going to help raise the front end up and, as the term implies, level it out. Look, we've all seen the truck driving, nose down, and it works from factory for what it's meant for, but if you're your daily driver, you're looking for an off-road appearance, or you really just hate that look like I do, then a leveling kit's the way to go. In order to clear those wheels and tires, we did that, but as far as tires and wheel setup go, we went with the BF Goodrich KO3s. They're in a 305/70/18. This is a pretty beefy appearance. So if you are like me or you like the off-road nostalgic appearance, running something like this with an 18-inch wheel and this tire setup, it not only is a throwback, but it gives you a better ride. If you are trying to do off-roading or you're looking to maybe hit the trails, do something a little bit more aggressive than just driving to the mall, then running a thicker sidewall is going to provide that for you. Gives a little bit more resistance for it if the tires to compress, helps if you need to air it down, but as you can see, it also helps to reduce the idea of a stretched tire. Running a stretched tire does look good if you're gonna do the street appearance or our similar Krietz Customs build, but if you're someone who hits curbs, gonna hit rocks, then running a tire that's going to have a little bit more of that bubble or that bulge to the side of it is a much better option. No one likes an expensive scratch. I have curbed wheels, some of you have probably curbed wheels, and as soon as it happens, you just hear the scratch and you feel your wallet running out of your pocket. But by running the 305/70/18, you can help reduce that. As far as the wheels go, we ran an 18/9 fuel flux with a +20 offset. This is going to allow the wheel to sit just about flush with the edge of that wheel well, still gives an aggressive appearance, doesn't have them protruding real wide so you don't have to do a lot of cutting, but this is going to give you more of that aggressive, sleek, minimalist build that's not going to break the bank, but is still going to look top dollar. Now, even though I think we made this vehicle look pretty awesome, there are some other things that you could do to your Colorado if you're in the market for upgrading it as well. First is going to be lighting. We talk about off-road appearance, and lighting is one of those things that can really elevate your off-road vehicle to the next level and show that you're serious about hitting the trails. By running something like a fog light right here, like a ditch pod light, this is great for off-road appearance. You can run different bumpers, have maybe a bull bar, maybe some sort of a lighting going through the grille. This can just change your overall appearance of the vehicle. You can also swap out running boards. This one's not so much going to be for your off-roading purpose, but it is going to make it a little bit more functional for your average person. Most of us, if we're being honest, probably aren't going to take a Trail Boss through extreme terrain, so switching to an amp running board that's an electric drop down or just a standard one such as Rough Country or Weston Automotive, that is a great option in order to make sure your vehicle functions the way you need. A spray and bed liner is also another added feature. This vehicle here has a drop-in plastic bed liner, and so a spray-in is great so that way your water can actually drain through the holes at the front of your truck bed and really just gives it a cleaner appearance than having that plastic molding that can sometimes warp or bend in a way that no one really wants to have happen. Paint protection film is another added benefit that you can add. Here at Krietz Customs, we are a 3M Pro shop. We work with 3M's paint protection film, so it's a great way to help reduce some of those dings, scratches, especially in these door cups, which are prone for damage. Other features, you could also paint match, change out your emblems, throw on some different wheels and tires, paint match your fenders to match the color of the vehicle. You get to pick what you want to do to these vehicles, and that's one of the fun parts of modifying trucks, is that it is a process, it is a community, and it is a culture that we love getting to share with you. Is this the perfect Colorado build? I think so, maybe you don't. Either way, let us know in the comments what you would do different if you would take this vehicle home, or what vehicle you're in the market for. As always, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications on future content, and as always, dare to be different, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more. Okay, Krietz Custom family, don't forget about our end of the year giveaway. This year, we're trying to hit 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. Our giveaway rules are pretty simple. Subscribe, like, comment, and it allows us to be able to notify you if you are the winner. But we do have to hit 50,000. You may be wondering what we're giving away. We're giving away a set of 22 by 12 inch fuel wheels and up to 35 inch tires. So if you want a new set of shoes and wheels for your ride, definitely make sure you subscribe and help us reach our goal so you can be riding in style. See you soon.